Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing fine and doing great in your studies also. So tomorrow is 9th June 2021 and here is tomorrow's schedule. But one thing I want to tell you before starting this is that I am in I am putting both prelims and mains level schedule because we have to prepare for mains in this time, but we don't have to leave the touch of prelims. And one more thing is that please use this time wisely, as this is the golden period. If we use this time wisely, then surely we will get the job by the end of this year. So for prelims, I will solve weak areas questions. Tomorrow I will not give any mock test. You can also do this. You can solve the weak areas questions which you find difficult to solve in prelims. This can be English, reasoning or maths also. For mains, I will cover daily current affairs and April 4th week question and answer PDF from Affairs Cloud. For daily current affairs, I watch Affairs Cloud video and then I read the current affairs from their question and answer PDF. Then I will read the editorial plus vocabulary because vocab is important for mains examination. Then I will solve 2 mains level RCs plus parajumble. For parajumble, you can also watch my video. I have uploaded a video on parajumbles today. Then for maths, I will solve 2 mains level DIs plus speed practice because we don't have to leave the touch of speed like simplification, approximation and number series. Then I will solve 1 arithmetic chapter, and if you are finding difficulty in searching for questions, then you can go for Guidely PDF course, because in the PDF course they are providing daily questions to practice. You don't have to search the questions anywhere because a lot of time gets wasted if we get confused about the sources. So try to follow one source and try to follow it religiously. So I suggest you, if you want the practice material at one place, you can go for Guidely PDF course. In that PDF course, the questions are updated daily and prelims plus mains both targets are given, so you can practice and you don't need to worry about the material. The link will be given in description, and by using my code you will get extra 12% discount. Then for reasoning, I will solve 1 mains puzzle and 10 questions of reverse syllogism. So that's all for tomorrow. Okay, and please don't waste this time because this is very important time, so use it wisely. Thank you and have a nice day.